Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw a star fruit and let's jump to the paper. Alright, at the first I need you to prepare your pencil or your marker. Right, I use the black color first. Right, and at the beginning we need to draw something like this guys, so you can draw like this. So one, right, this one like this curve, then you can draw again this like this, right, then like this, right. So we just create a three curve like this. Okay, then after that you try to create a curve line from here all the way here. So let's go together like this. So one, you go like this all the way down here, right, and then the same thing here like this. So from here all the way down like this, right. All right, then connect to here. Okay, so we have this kind of shape already. Then after that you can give like here a little bit like this, and this one is a little bit like this also. Okay, and then you have to give us some branch here, so like this. All right, and then like this. All right, perfect. Okay, and then we try to make the fruit from the, after we cut, then we can see like the fruit, it looks like a star. That's why we call it star fruit. So you just follow me like this from here. So you can go like this, right, then you can go like this. Okay, then you can go like this. Nice, you can go like this. All right, then the last one we can connect to like this. Now we have like this already. Then after that we need to give a like expression to make this star fruit looks cute, of course. All right, so start from here. You can give eyes here like this. All right, perfect. Then after that here also, then you give some like this, some circle inside. Also the same thing here, circle inside. Then you just give some black color here, right, then also at the other side. Okay, right. Looks nice already. Then after that you can give a mouth. I think this time we need to make like a very cute mouth. All right, so we can give a maybe number three for like this mouth, this kind of mouth, right. Okay, yeah, looks cute already. So now we going to give the red color for the shy expression here, right? So do something like this. Okay, then this one, the other one like this. Okay, wow, looks cute already. All right guys, so the next one is the coloring process. I will speed up the video and then you guys enjoy the coloring with me. All right, let's go. Okay guys, here is the final result of the star fruit. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys learning together with me today. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.